So here's how to create a landing page that converts like crazy. So you want to write a killer headline, and you want to write it like this headline is news. So what I recommend you do is like read news headlines. So it's written in a way like, you know, like Ottawa man like ruins building or something like that. It's written in a way where it's like newsworthy, you know? So for example, like for you, like you just opened up the like cosmetic stuff, you know, it's like new cosmetic store like in wherever you are, you know? Or like cosmetic store, Ottawa's top cosmetic store offers free blah blah blah. It's written in a way where it's like, oh wow, this is newsworthy. See what I'm saying? On a landing page, I recommend you have about 3 to 4 testimonials. And I recommend, if you can, use video. Video is hard to get, obviously, of your clients, because like not a lot of people want to go on video. But understand that when it comes to testimonials, the more senses that you can engage, the more real it becomes, the more persuasive it becomes, and the more effective it becomes. So most of you, if you have testimonials on a website or something, it's probably just text. What I would say that you do is add a picture in it too. A picture of the person's face. It increases the trust, and like people are like, wow, this is actually a real person. You didn't just like sit at a computer and make this shit up, right? So you want to make sure that it's like, the more senses you can engage, the more believable it will be. Make sense? So you want to sprinkle some trust signals too throughout this page. So I'm talking like badges, like maybe you're featured like A+ on BBB, you know what I mean? Maybe you have like 5-star on Google, like put a badge that says like 5 stars on Google, a badge that says like 5 stars on Facebook. If you were featured in like any kind of like mainstream news publications like CTV or something, like put that there. Because that is a tip-off to the person's head that like, okay, I can trust this person. Make sense? And you want to write compelling copy. So for those of you who don't know what copy is, it's like advertising writing, writing to sell. So like, it's actually cringeworthy. Sometimes on a lot of pages you'll see it, it's all about the company. We've been in business for 17 years. We offer this. It's all we, me. What you want to do is actually flip the script and be like, you, right? Like you're going to receive the best quality possible. You are going to get this, you. So you want to flip the script and make it all about them instead, right? So when they're reading it, it's speaking to them, right? Instead of just talking about you. Cool? And you always want to sell with stimulating visuals, like I was talking about. So like you want to use visuals all the time. Transformations is super powerful. So on a landing page, like if you could show a before, and you know, like let's say that you're a flooring person, the floor looks like crap, and then you have the after, and it's like, whoa, crazy. Like that is a much bigger selling feature because it's all relative, right? It's all like about the transformation.